Okay, so with the different noises that they make, I see the females, they do the meh, 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 meh. And the males, they go, oh, oh. Actually, the females also do that. And then when the males do their call, they go, woohoo! I love weird duck time. They all have their weird, funny mating seasons. You got the golden eyes who go meh, meh, and then you have the how do they call it? The ruddy ducks who go whack, and they go woohoo. Yeah, in May they're gonna go. Yeah, they're gonna go soon. Meh, 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 meh. Have a good day, ducks.